Hello traders, I'm Darius and I'm back with a new update on gold. Yeah, so I made yesterday an video analysis for gold and now I just want to update it. This is the chart from yesterday and I mentioned that we are going to push higher on gold. And as we can see, this actually happened and I marked here on the arrows an up move, then a bit of a down move. Okay, here, so this was um a better entry you could have catched. I'm honest, me personally, I didn't catch gold. It was at 11 p.m. and yeah, I was sleeping. I had a buy limit order, but it was not activated. Yeah, you cannot catch every trade, but now for all those people and also me who wants to join the gold trades, let's see what we can do. Okay, I'm going to update it. And so um, here is the H4 supply zone. As I mentioned in the last analysis, this is the corrective move on gold. So price made this up move, then the correction move here in this nice trend channel right now that we have. And the price went up, boom. And yesterday I have drawn here an supply zone. And I also said that the price will come a little bit down. Okay, so great. For those who did not join the trade, we're going to buy gold at this demand zone now. Okay, so supply became demand zone, and definitely expect the price to push deeper here down, and then from here push to the upside, break of the supply, retest, and boom. But we need to keep in mind that gold don't like to make a lot of retests. Okay, gold's very aggressive, so when gold knows his way to go, then boom, gold is flying. Like we could have seen here. Okay, gold, boom, straight move to the upside. And this is what I'm expecting here also. Okay, so now a little bit of a drop to retest the demand zone and then break of this H4 supply, maybe a retest then. This will be a nice option to enter the trade or to add positions if you're already long from this area right here. So I definitely recommend you to jump into the trade at this demand zone, and you can add positions if we were going to break this supply zone. And then I see gold going up to the H4 supply zone here at 1760. And yeah, so thank you guys. This is my analysis on gold. I hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comment section below if you did catch the gold trade, if you are a nice profit, or if you already closed it, and what your view is about. Because I've seen a lot of people trying to short gold. Okay, they thought about, okay, gold will go more down. Of course, this was also an possibility to break this daily demand zone, but I mean, we got here a daily demand level, and this is quite a strong one. And also, this corrective pattern, you can also call it as a compression. And if we got a compression, this is a typically up or downtrend, in this case a downtrend. If we got something like this and then we're pushing the price into a demand zone, then this is a further confirmation that this demand zone is going to work. And we just waited for a nice price action call, and then we could jump in the trade. Okay, but yeah, so like I said, please let me down in the comment section down below what you think about gold, and we see you next time, guys. Bye bye.